Hello, viewers, and this is the second part of the Mesothelioma law forms. So let's start. Did you know Mesothelioma patents and their families don't have to pay any more upfront when pursuing a legal claim? An experienced law firm will provide a free case evaluation to determine your claim options. Contact with the top Mastolemia law firms. So go to here. You can see that top Mastolemia law firms. Working with a law firms. What to expect when working with a Mastolemia law firm? Top Mastolemia law firms value your input and have your best interest in mind. You should work with trustworthy attorneys who will listen to your story, explain the legal process, and meet your unique needs. Your legal team should communicate with you often and keep you updated on the process of your case. Attentive lawyers can ensure you receive maximum companies as quickly as possible. When choosing a matrimonial law firm, the process begins with an introductory meeting. The first meeting or free consultant cover any question about the legal process, information and details about your asbestos exports, potential option for compensation, any other question or concern you have. After your fee gets review, you can decide how to proceed with your case. If you choose to move forward, your Mostolomia attorneys can begin the process of filing your claim. Questions to ask your Mostolomia law firm. When choosing a law firm, it is important to get to know the legal team. During your consultation, you should ask questions to better understand their qualifications. Common questions to help you understand the legal process and learn more about your law firm include. Can you discuss a few asbestos cases your firm has successfully litigated? How does your firm approach matrimonial cases? How is your firm different from other law firms that handle asbestos lawsuits? What are the costs associated with hiring your law firm? Which attorneys will be assessed to my case and what experience do they have? Your office are not located in the state I live in. Will that be problem? Understanding legal terms. Complement the first formal action taken to start a lawsuit. It outlines the legal and factual basis of the lawsuit against the defendant. Defendant, the individual or company legal action is being taken against discovery, the look collection and exchange of information prior or to trial, plaintiff, the person or group filing the lawsuit, recovery, the compensation awarded to the plaintiff, venue, the place where the Mastodonia case is filed and handled. Step in the legal process. Getting compensation may seem overwhelming for your loved ones. Mesothelioma law firms provide you to an experienced team to guide the following steps. Number one, researching your occupational and medical history. Your law firm will build your case through in-depth research and evidence. Research can include gathering and examining medical record, occupation history information, military and service record. Number two, determining recovery option. Your law firm will then look into avenues of financial compensation. Common recovery options include personal injury and wrongful death lawsuit. Other options may include asbestos trust funds, VA claims, and workers' compensations. Number three, selecting a venue. After choosing the best recovery option, the law firm will determine the proper venue to file your claim. Your lawyer may be able to file a lawsuit in any location in which you resided, worked, or served in the military. Number four, filing the lawsuit. Your law firm will file a formal complaint on your behalf. The complaint states the legal cases of action against one or more asbestos companies. Number five, negotiate the discover phase. After filing complaint, your law firm will present information to the defense. Your law first present the evidence, the written documents, and or oral testimony. Your lawyer will also request documents the defense have access to that are relevant to the case. In many cases, the law firm will focus on reaching a statement during the period. Number six, receiving final compensation. Many Stolomia lawsuits result in asbestos settlement before the set trial date. If you choose to not settle, you can move forward with the lawsuit and seek a trial resolution. Top Mastolomia law firms. Top-rated Mastolomia law firm in the USA. The best law firm will make you feel comfortable and supported throughout the legal process. Top Mastolomia attorneys are decided to your case and have the experience necessary to win. Early legally Swincy and Mastoconiathan ELSM Service Client Negotiation Office in the Industrial Isle, New Venus City, New Orleans, LA, Newark, NY, Orlando, FLST, Lucius Amor, Tornico, CA, Vegas, Aston, DC. Early localities Suicines and Mesothelioma ELSM has responded more than 3,000 individuals impacted by asbestos exposure. ELSM has more than 40 years of experience in asbestos litigation. Their law firm will work tirelessly on behalf of other clients' legal right. Here you can see Goria law firm. Towas law from Lendary and swimmers. So if you need and you can source any law from, just contact there. Uh, to do no more. Um, Thank you watching my video. Uh, Please subscribe my that channel and information and click the bell button so you can see our next information video. Thank you all.